Weather records. Most people think that the weather is sunny sometimes, but other time it can be rainy. Nevertheless, there's some place on the globe where the weather can be very extreme. So in this video I will show you 10 of them. First, Wadi Halfa, Sudan. Imagine that there's no rainfall in your city for months. It's quite unusual, right? But there's a village in the hot desert of Sudan where there were no rainfall. Guess how long period? Not for weeks, months or years. There were no rainfall for unbelievable 90 years. On the second place there's a Chilean village with 40 years. I think the vegetation can't be rich. Second, Meghalaya, India. The average precipitation in New York is 1,268 mm. In Sydney, it's 1,222 mm. These are usual numbers, but there's a mountainous state in North India, Meghalaya. This is the wettest region of the world with average 12,000 mm rainfall per year. This state is the place where meteorologists measure the record rainfall in a single year. None less than 26,000 mm. It's 26 times more than New York's. I think they don't worry about that plants dry up. Third, South Dakota, USA. The average temperature rise in a day is about 20 degrees. So it's 5 degrees in the early morning and 25 degrees at 2 o'clock. It's normal. But there's a small town on the border of Wyoming and South Dakota called Spearfish, where the temperature rise in 2 minutes was 27 degrees on the 22nd of January 1943. On the same day, the local weather station measured the biggest temperature drop, which was 33 degrees in 27 minutes. The range of temperature was so big that the windows cracked. It was an exciting day. Fourth, Guangdong State, China. Hail is a relatively rare weather phenomenon because the factors which can create it exist for a short time. The average weight of a hail particle is about a few decagrams. So it's a good question that how heavy was the biggest hail particle? The answer is 15 kilograms, which is a hard to believe date. This extremely heavy hail particle was fall down in Guangdong State, China. Hail can be very dangerous. For example, it killed 92 people in Bangladesh in 1986. Fifth, the question. The official data for the highest temperature on Earth is 56 degrees measured in Death Valley, USA. But scientists at NASA think that in the deserts the temperature can be much higher, but there's no weather station. The other method to find out the temperature is that NASA has satellites which can detect that how hot is at the ground. These satellites measure 70 degrees in the Lad Desert, Iran. It's much higher than the official data, but formally it's not accepted. I'm curious what will be the outcome. Have you ever been any of these places? Write in the comment section. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel where you find a lot of videos about my travel adventures. Nice travels, bye!